Let's make a typical Spanish Holy Week recipe. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. Today's recipe is called Potaje De Vigilia, Vigil Pottage. It is a typical food that the Spanish people eat during the Holy Week, especially on Holy Friday. I will leave the ingredients in the description box. Let's get right into the kitchen. To go ahead and fry some onions, use olive oil or any vegetable oil of your choice. Fry the onions for like 2 minutes on medium heat. Add some green pepper and some chopped leeks. If you like this video, go ahead and leave a comment, share the video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Now add some salt, some black pepper and chili pepper. Don't forget also to tell me where you are watching from so that I'll send you a special greeting in the next video. Now I'll go ahead and add tomato sauce. You can add tomato paste. Fry them together for like 2 minutes until it is a little bit dry, not too watery. Now we go ahead and blend the fried ingredients. Add the tomato paste into a blender and add codfish broth. Just a minute. You don't know how to get your codfish broth? Now boil your codfish. Remove the white foam that is on top of it because that is rubbish. You remove it and you have your codfish broth, homemade. You can also buy it from the supermarket, but I prefer to make it at home. So you add the codfish broth to the mixture and blend it together. Now, in a pan or pot, you add chickpeas. I already cooked the chickpeas. I'll now add the puree. That is the blended tomatoes with the codfish broth. I will add spinach. Don't cut the spinach, just add all of them. Add the leaves as they are, don't cut it. And then you cover and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you give it a turn and taste for salt. You can actually make this pottage to be watery if you like, but I don't like watery pottage. Now you add the codfish and then you add the cooked and sliced eggs. Did I just hear you say you don't know how to boil eggs? Now, this is how to boil eggs. You add the eggs into cold water in a pot, add some salt and add some vinegar into the water. This will help you to peel the eggs so that it doesn't stick to the shell. Then you bring it to boil. You cook it for like 10 minutes so that it will cook very well. Then you have your cooked or boiled eggs. Now, after you have added the codfish and the boiled egg, you don't turn the pottage. Don't turn it with a spoon or a spatula, nothing. Just raise up the pot and shake the pot a little bit just to mix it together, and you have your food, you have your pottage ready. This is called Potaje De Vigilia. Just like I said earlier, in English it is vigil pottage. So yummy and so easy to make. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment, a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, remain safe and remain hydrated. Bye.